How to find saved reel on Facebook. It is very quick and easy. You just need to follow some steps. What you can do is launch your Facebook app and then log in. And here, first of all, let me just save one of the reels and then I'll show you how to find it on your Facebook app. Go to Reels, and here let me just save this reel. Here you can see the save reel option. When you tap on the three dot, just tap on save reel and your reels have been saved in your profile. So how can you see it? What you can do is go to your profile at the top right and tap on your profile. And after going to your profile, you can see post photos and videos option. Tap on the videos option and you can see the option called saved and liked. Tap on saved, and here you can see the video that I just saved, the reel that I just saved. Likewise, you can also save audio and tap on and see for saved audio in your profile or the saved effects that you may use. And in this way, you can easily find the saved reels on your Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.